Hello and welcome. Congratulations on your new fully automatic espresso machine KF3 with iced coffee. Let's see what's inside your Espresso Essentials box. You've got a ground coffee scoop, your water filter, cleaning tablets, a water hardness test strip, and your milk hose for frothing. See this scoop? It also installs your filter. Pretty handy. The power switch is on the right side. Press it to turn on. The display walks you through setup. First, choose your language. Confirm with the check mark. Take out the water tank, drip tray, and milk hose. Rinse them under warm water and dry completely. Slide everything back into place. Dip the strip in tap water, shake off the extra, and wait about a minute. Count the red squares and match your result to the droplets on screen. Once confirmed, your machine will adjust brew settings for your water. Next, your touchscreen will guide you through setting up your water filter. The scoop's notched end is your filter tool. Remove the water tank. Use the scoop to screw the filter in. Twist until it's snug. Let's fill up the water tank. Fill it all the way to the max line with fresh, cold tap water. Slide it back until it slots into place. Fill the bean hopper with your favorite whole beans. Prefer pre-ground coffee like decaf? Use the chute next to the hopper instead. Close the lid. The machine is now ready for its first full rinse. Before your first real cup, you need to purge the system. Run 4 espresso shots to flush everything through. Toss these, they're just for flushing the system. Setup complete. Your KitchenAid espresso machine is ready for coffee.